Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mikey, and I make contents for Audi S4 B8.5, DIYs, vlogs, car meets, etc. Basically my journey of owning the Audi S4 B8.5. For those of you who don't know and those of you who are new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I want to give a shout out to the people who's been watching my videos, sticking around since day one. Thank you for stopping by again. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the love that you guys have given me and support throughout the years. But today, you guys can already tell by the title, we are going to go ahead and install the CanadianAuto carbon fiber RS4 style grill on the S4 B8.5. So here's a little look of what the grill looks like. I just got it out the box. But yeah, you can kind of see the fine carbon all over the edges of the grill. Like this piece is freaking sick. Like, they knew me so well. This is the quadro style grill. So the quadro emblem sits right down here. They did give me a quadro emblem and a new blacked out 4-ring emblem. So yeah, that comes with the kit, but you can kind of see the carbon all around. This is not a wrap either, this legit real carbon. And I must say, CanadianAuto carbon fiber has held up pretty well. Here's the quadro emblem, so it will pretty much sit just like that, you know what I mean? The emblem, which quadro emblem sit like that. And this here is the new 4-ring emblem. But yeah, also I want to say most of my carbon, like the front lip, side skirt, and diffuser is from CanadianAuto. I do have a 10 to 15% discount code with them that you guys can use. It will help benefit you guys, help save you some money on accessories and things like that, and carbon goodies. So the code is Mikey, M-I-K-E-Y, and yeah, take advantage of that, guys. So basically, you have to take the damn entire front bumper off to remove the grill, unless somebody know an easier, faster way that I don't know. But damn, I just came back from a road trip and I haven't washed my car again, so excuse the dirty bugs and mess all over the place. But I hit like a mean ass rock on the way home, so now like I got a major fucking chip right here. The car's like a daily, man. I drive it all the time. You can kind of see rock chips and shit everywhere. It's not baby like you guys probably think. I try to keep the mileage off, but I can't stop driving it, if you get what I'm saying. Look at my front emblem. I think that's probably why CanadianAuto reached out and offered me a new one, because mine's all jacked up. But yeah, let me go ahead and freaking jack the car up. I'm gonna go ahead and change my oil as well. So since we're there, I'm gonna go ahead and check everything over and make sure my heat exchanger is all good, nothing is leaking, the hose are all still tight and everything. Underneath, make sure everything is still good. Since we're there, taking off the bumper, might as well, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna jack it up, put it on jack stand, and we're gonna do a fresh oil change, because it is time for an oil change. And just give a whole visual inspect, since we're gonna put a new grill on there. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, you know what I'm saying? So basically, I don't have to explain much. There's like a bunch of tabs for this piece that you have to take off first, and then there's a couple torque screws in between the bumper fenders here that you have to remove, and a bunch of good screws and nuts underneath the bumpers that you have to remove. There's a bunch of DIYs, and I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to take it off. But I hit a mean bump the other day, and I lost the damn cover here. So if anybody has a donation one, they can give me, send it to me. I appreciate it, thank you. Or if you guys find mine somewhere, just send it back, please. Thank you, appreciate it. Alright, so I basically got the whole front bumper off, my wheels off, all that goody stuff. Now I'm about to take it in the house
and take it apart because it's kind of hot outside and I don't want to let my bumper and lip sit on the freaking concrete. So I'm gonna just take it in the crib, and you basically just have to remove all of these screws back here. They're a bunch of Torx screws. You guys can kind of see it already. All those Torx screws right there, the silver Torx screws right there. You just gotta remove all of that, and then you just be able to push the grill back and just put the other one on, and I guess back together. I see. So basically, it's just a bunch of these little, I believe Torx 30 or Torx 25. We shall see. Here's a T25. T25 it is. So T25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. Once I get all 7 off, and we'll be right back. Alright, after you get all the 7 T25s out, there's these little red tabs here that you just want to like push up and back. Don't push it too hard, you might crack it. There's like 3 of them that's holding the grill in place. I forgot how the OEM is like. I'm pretty sure it's the same way, but both sides has 3 red tabs. Just gotta like pop that loose, and then on the bottom here, you can just pull it forward. I use one of these to kind of like pry it a little bit if you need to, especially if you never taken yours off before. You definitely want to like kind of use like one of these pliers to kind of like bust the tab open a little bit. That way it will just come right off. So mine is like about ready to come off here. I just gotta make sure. And then there's also a few clips on top. Oops, I wanna crack that. Oh shit. Hold up. Just like that, the top. At least I got one side off. I'm doing this one hand. It's super difficult. Oh man, let me put the camera down real quick. Alright, there you go. You guys see what I'm talking about. And there you have it. That shit. I was trying not to break any clip. I think if you had the OEM, there might be a piece or two that you have to kind of like grind off to give yourself some space. But basically, here you have it. All right, so before we can get the new carbon grill on, there is a super helpful tip and trick that I need to tell you guys, or else it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Might not even be able to get the damn grill on if you don't do this. But there are these clips on here. Let me show you guys because it's not cut off yet. So there are these little black tabs right here. I don't know if you can kind of see it right there. See it right there? 1 and 2 right there. There's 2 on each side. And that's where the mounting clip is for this right here. And it would be a pain in the butt to get on if you don't clip those 2 little black tab off, because it will just kind of poke at your bumper right here on the corner and it won't sit flush. I did that on my old grill, as you can see right here. You see what I'm talking about? You can kind of see where I clipped it 2 of that little tab off, so that way the clip goes right in. It'll still clip on perfectly fine. It's just those 2 little sticks that's sticking out, preventing the grill from sitting flush. So just kind of like clip it off, use a pair of pliers or something, break it a little bit, be careful, and you should be good to go. I needed 2 hands to do this because I didn't want to scratch the carbon or nothing, but as you guys can kind of see, you know what I mean? It was just sitting right there. It's pointless, it doesn't do shit. I just kind of use a plier, bend it backwards or so, and it'll pop right off. Alright, so the grill's all back intact. That's where the clip that we trimmed off was at. You see that little red tab? If we didn't trim it off, it would not be able to clip in place, and it will prevent the grill from sitting flush right here, if you get what I'm saying. But everything is sit flush, nice and flush. Look at that. Sorry, the bumper is dirty because I haven't washed the car yet, but we're gonna give it a go wash and all that stuff after we get everything installed. But the clips are all back in place. Same with the other side, you see what I mean? I'll show you guys the front here in a second. But yeah, make sure all the clips on the bottom is all intact. I'm gonna put the 7T25 torque screws back on. Alright guys, so here's the final product. It'll probably look better when I take it outside here. But man, it looks good. Once I clean the car and bumper up a little bit, it'll look a lot better. But as you can kind of see, it's sitting nice and flush. Like everything lined up. Like, man, this thing is beautiful. Thank you to CanAuto. Again, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get my S4 logo back on here real quick. I have my canards that I gotta get put on here too soon as well. I'll probably put it on after I see how the grill looks like. But man, it looks crazy right now. Alright, so I had to get the emblem S4 badge on real quick. So for a lot of people who's stressing about it, this is the OEM one. Wait, no, it's not. Well, this is the one that I bought off Amazon or whatever. You can do the OEM one. I pretty much drew a little hole inside and then I zip tied it from the behind, as you can kind of see right there, basically. And it sits pretty damn flush and tight, you know what I mean? Just don't move it and you'll be good to go. But here's how it looks like semi on the car. I'm about to finish getting everything back on the car right now. You can't really tell unless you get really close, I guess, but it's definitely there. And damn, it's clean. I really appreciate them guys at CanAuto. Really appreciate it. I got the car nicely washed up for you guys. What you guys think? Like I said, you can't really tell unless you go really close to it, and then you'll be able to tell. I need a new emblem soon here because my little red mark is freaking peeling away. But yeah, I mean, it looks really, really good though. My other black emblem was fading and chipping, so you know that really came in handy. The fitment is super, super flush, as you guys can kind of see. Look at that. It's like super, super flush. I really, really appreciate CanAuto Performance. Go ahead and check them out. Use my code Mikey, M-I-K-E-Y. Save yourself some money. But yeah, if you didn't remove the little clip here, you wouldn't be able to get the grill to fit flush. But stay tuned. I gotta get my canards back on here soon, and it'll make the front end look a little bit more crazy. Damn, them trucks are out. But look at the fitment on the wheels though. It looks crazy nice right now. The sun is like about to set. Wheels are riding great so far. They're super light. That's what I really like about them. I don't know if it's a bad thing or a good thing. Definitely a good thing. But yeah, check out CanAuto Performance. A lot of my carbon parts are from them. If you guys haven't seen my every carbon fiber parts on my car video, go ahead and check that out. It'll show you and tell you every carbon fiber pieces and where I got them from and such and such. I kind of piece from a lot of places and put them together to make it like a unique, different type of build. So yeah, that was my thing. But man, I can't get over how nice this front grille is. I really like the quadro accent on here. I feel like that little brush color really gives my wheels a nice little finish and look. But yeah guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully I was able to give you guys some helpful pointer tips on how to install the front grille here. But your boy's about to check out, and I'm gonna get some food. Tired, hungry, and gonna probably rest up, and tomorrow's another day, you know what I mean? But appreciate you guys checking in. Thank you, CanadianAuto Performance, again. Until next time, guys, peace out.